If you are interested in modern witchcraft, you have probably heard of spells and their power. These are special words or phrases that have been created to help manifest our intentions. They are used by many cultures and spiritual traditions around the world and are still used today by modern witches. To perform a spell, you need to start with a clear and powerful intention. This should be what you want to attract into your life, whether it is love, prosperity, or healing. After you have set your intention, you need to create the spell. There are many ways to do this, but perhaps the simplest is to compose a short poem or choose a powerful phrase that represents your intention. You can draw inspiration from traditional spells or create your own personalized spell. Once you have created the spell, it is important to speak it aloud so that your energy is transmitted into the words and reaches the universe. You can choose a special place or time of day to perform the spell to help you enter a state of meditation or concentration. Here is a spell you can use to attract love into your life. By knot of 1, the spell's begun. By knot of 2, it cometh true. By knot of 3, so mote it be. By knot of 4, this power I store. By knot of 5, the spell's alive. By knot of 6, this spell I fix. By knot of 7, the boon is given. By knot of 8, it is fate. By knot of 9, what's done is mine. This spell uses knots to amplify the power of your words and attract love into your life. To recite it, you can imagine a rope and tie knots as you recite the spell. Spells can be very powerful and can help manifest our intentions. It is important to use them with respect and responsibility, and to make sure that we do not use them in a way that harms someone or breaks the law. With a little practice and attention, spells can be a wonderful way to connect with universal energy and bring positive changes into our lives.